Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn wheel adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for babies. We have different types of crochet design. New Ideas Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. Beautiful and stylish Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video we show you the some Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These crochet design are looking stunning. These are all handmade Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. We have some unique collection of Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. You can see the beauty of these Crochet Baby Frog Designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my videos.